So welcome to today's video. I'm going to be giving you guys a full tour of the Inntel Hotels Amsterdam. This is the Landmark branch. Now this hotel is in an area called Rietlanden. I think that's how you pronounce it. But it's about a 45-minute walk from Central Station. It would probably take you about 20 minutes to get there by like tram or bus. So let's have a look inside this hotel. They seem to have like a construction theme throughout the hotel. They even have that crane coming out of the wall. This lamp here is pretty cool. But yeah, for me the check-in process was really easy. I managed to get my room a little bit earlier than the routine check-in time of 3 p.m. So let's go ahead and check out the room that I stayed in. So my room was on the 17th floor. And I stayed in room 1708. Okay, here we are. We've put our card in to activate the lights. It's a fairly spacious room, again keeping up with that construction theme throughout the room. We have two single beds kind of pushed together to form a double bed. There's a funky chair on the side. They provided us with a travel cot. And we have a desk here in the corner. We've been given teas and coffees, sugar. There's a kettle there too. And a nice view onto the canal here. I'm going to show you the view like at night time because it does look very nice with the lights in the background. We have a Samsung TV. The telephone is attached to the wall. We have a small mini fridge too. And that's a decent sized desk if you were to do some work. So have a look at this wallpaper. You know, I half thought like with hotels that have this construction design, I always wonder if they were like midway through decorating and then they decided to just stick with the construction theme instead of finishing off the proper design. The way they've done it in this hotel is decent. It does look quite well thought out. This is the kind of closet space, so we have a rail there with some hangers, there's a safe there at the bottom. Here we have the bathroom. A large mirror, we have a sink, we have a fairly spacious shower there. And this is the toilet. And I like the kind of lighting behind that mirror there. The soap and shower gel they've provided is by a brand called Argan Sauce. And we have plenty of towels underneath and a hairdryer as well. We have like a vanity kit there with like cotton buds and like cotton pads. That's a shoe shine kit and a sewing kit there as well. Okay, so that's the room. Let me know what you guys think of this room, if you are planning on booking a similar room here, or if you have any questions. And here is that view at night time. So it looks really nice with the lights in the background and the canal there. So yeah, the view was beautiful. Now, in terms of breakfast, the hotel has like a restaurant bar attached to it, and they do serve like food, and there's a breakfast buffet in the morning. So this is everything that the hotel has to offer for the breakfast. Now remember, for lunch and your evening meal, you can eat here too. It's typical bar food, and there is also like a nice seating area outside. So yeah, it's very nice. You can see the canal, and it kind of turns more into a bar in the evening / night time. I did actually manage to get like a photo of the menu. So this may be useful if you are planning on having drinks here, and this is how it looks when it's like nighttime. So yeah, you have that option too. So here we have the gym and relaxation area. So when you walk into this area, there are toilets and changing rooms on the right. And then to the left, there are these glass windows and then a glass door leading you into the gym. So the gym is quite small in size, but in terms of equipment, it has most of the basic equipment like cardio machines, and there's like a cable machine too. There are lockers on the side that you can use, and then when you walk ahead there is a small pool. There is this outdoor area too if you were wanting to sunbathe. And then you can walk into this separate room here where you can find a sauna and a steam room, which actually get activated by the push of a button. There are showers here too, and also a bucket shower. So that's pretty much everything for this hotel. If you have any questions about this hotel, leave a comment in the comment section below, and thank you very much for watching.